friends! Recently, I've been working on revisions. Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. When I finished this rough draft that I'm working on last year, I described it as clean. And while it's not as messy as it could be, it is not even close to being finished. And it's overwhelming to know that this story that I've put so many hours into is gonna need a whole lot more of my time. So because of that, here's what I'm trying to remind myself this week. 1. No matter how slow going it is, with every pass I make, proofreading, rephrasing, and cutting out info dumping in my work, my draft is getting stronger and stronger. 2. To stop being mad about my rough draft being a rough draft. It's done its job, and now it's my job to take it and form it into something that I can be really proud of. And 3. It's okay to take a step back and do some research. My story takes place in the 1950s and in outer space. And during the rough draft, I focused mainly on the character growth. So I have a whole lot of world building to refine and put into the pages. No matter where you're at in the process of your story, I am wishing you the best of luck. And if you're wondering how my challenge of waking up early went last week, thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe to Writer's Atelier for more motivation and inspiration. Check out the links down below to the website and the Patreon page, and I'll see you next week. Bye!